Hey there! Let's walk you through how to add your bank account so you can pay rent via ACH. It's quick and easy. First, head to your settings and click on Bank Accounts. Now, click the Add Bank Account button to get started. You can choose one of two ways to verify your bank account. We recommend instant verification for a faster process. Just click Agree and Continue and log into your bank. If you prefer the manual route, you can do micro deposit verification. Enter your routing number, account number, and confirm the account number again. Press Submit to finish the process. You'll get a small deposit of 1 cent in your bank account within 1-2 business days. After that, you can check your bank statement for the 6-digit code. Once you have it, open the 3 dots menu, choose Verify from the drop-down, enter that code here, and click Verify. If your verification fails, don't worry. You'll have 3 tries to enter the correct code. If you don't verify the bank statement after 10 days, your bank account will be deleted, so make sure to verify quickly. And that's it. You're all set to pay rent online using your ACH payments. Quick, easy, and secure.